Veteran Bollywood actor Dilip Kumar, who was predominantly known as the tragic hero, breathed his last on Wednesday morning. The sudden demise of 98-year-old actor has ended an era of this Bollywood industry, and the void he has left cannot get fulfilled. Many Bollywood stars have taken to their social media account to grieve this huge loss. Akshay Kumar. The actor took his Twitter account to mourn the loss. He posted a picture of the veteran actor along with a heartfelt caption. He wrote, "To the world, many others may be heroes. To us, actors, he was the hero. Dilip Kumar sir has taken an entire era of Indian cinema away with him." He further added, "My thoughts and prayers are with his family. Om Shanti." Ajay Devgan. Ajay Devgan was shaken with the news and he posted an old picture of himself with Dilip Kumar Sahab. Ajay Devgan wrote, "Shared many moments with the legend, some very personal, some on stage, yet nothing really prepared me for his passing away." He also added, "An institution, a timeless actor, heartbroken. Deepest condolences to Saira ji." Sunny Deol. Popular Bollywood actor Sunny Deol also took to his Twitter account where he shared an image of the veteran actor. Sunny Deol wrote, "End of an era. Dilip Kumar Sahab, you will always be missed." Manoj Bajpayee. This extremely talented actor of Bollywood industry wrote that, "No one like you. Have a great journey from here on, Master. Rest in peace." Kubra Said. Kubra too took her Twitter account to post a picture of the veteran actor. Remembering him, Kubra wrote that, "The end of an era, the real Khan, the real deal." Prakash Raj. Popular actor of South and Bollywood, Prakash Raj wrote, "A legend, an inspiration. Thank you for living a wonderful life, Dilip Kumar ji. Rest in peace." Siddharth. Bollywood South Indian actor Siddharth also took to his social media account to pay his condolences. With a picture of the actor, Siddharth wrote, "One of the greatest actors in the world has ever known, has left us. A giant tree has fallen." He also added, "I pray for the soul of legend Dilip Kumar Sahab. I also pray today's generation learns about and celebrates him. He is forever." Subhash Ghai. The popular filmmaker wrote, "The saddest day of my life. Dilip Sahab, Yusuf Bhai gone, my personal loss of my most precious idol. No words. Rest in peace, Sahab." Jackie Shroff. Through his Twitter account, Jackie Shroff expressed his grief and wrote, "Rest in peace." Madhur Bhandarkar. Renowned filmmaker Madhur Bhandarkar wrote, "Saddened to know about the demise of Dilip Kumar sir, one of the greatest actors and doyen of Indian cinema, a legend. He inspired generations of actors and will always be missed. Rest in peace."